We begin tonight in Franklin County, where the trial for Michael Brown is officially underway. You may remember the former Marine was the focus of a massive manhunt back in 2019 after he allegedly killed his mother's boyfriend, Rodney Brown. WFXR News' Damon Reynolds was in the courtroom today. He joins us now in studio. Damon, I understand Brown waived his right to a jury trial.
Yes, Kathleen, what started out as just a motions hearing turned into a nearly 4-hour ordeal today. Now, Michael Brown agreeing to what's called a bench trial, which will take the jury out of it and leave the final decision solely up to a judge. Now, Brown pleaded not guilty by reason of insanity to all 7 charges against him. And things got intense in the courtroom as psychiatric experts were called to testify on that defense. Now, it was during that testimony that Dr. Eugene Simonopoulos, a clinical and forensic psychiatrist, caused a bit of a stir when he said evidence that he hadn't heard before caused him to question if Brown checked off all 3 qualifiers for an insanity defense.
If I'm not mistaken, I believe I've already listed a couple of items that I would consider in a reanalysis of this, this case. For example, the statements from Mr. Brown's mother.
That goes against, that doesn't support your findings? Is that what you're saying?
It's one of a few things that would go into the analysis, and I could very well end up arrive at the same conclusion.
Okay, so let's take them one at a time.
Now, it's important to note that doctors are the ones who evaluate suspects and testify about whether they believe someone qualifies for an insanity defense. But in this case, it's up to the judge to make that final decision. Now, this trial will resume next week, where a judge will review hours-long video in which Brown talked to police. That will also play a role in that final ruling. Right now, we don't know how long it would take for the judge to make that decision. Kathleen, back to you.
Damon, thank you.